Eli Byrd out here from Jordan Roofing. I got Jonathan with me. We're about to conduct an inspection on this property out here in Lancaster. We've had a good amount of hail damage out here, and we're just trying to help as many homeowners as we can. Jonathan here is going to go around the bottom of the house and look around the downspouts and the gutters to see if we found any damage on those. Those are going to be considered collateral damages. I myself am going to be up on the roof looking for all types of hail damage that could be related to the shingles. So it should be a good inspection.